Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove or insert your SIM card to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to do that, first find your phone, the box that your Samsung was in, and there you should find a little piece of metal, which I will show you in a second, but I have to remove it from the box. As you can see, it will look something like this. You can also use a needle or something that is thin and stiff. So you have to flip your phone like this so you can see the USB-C cable facing your face, and now insert this piece of metal in the hole just like that, and this little SIM tray should pop up like that. Now you can remove that piece of metal, and using your nail or something just remove this SIM tray from the phone. It should look something like this. I don't have any SIM card in that, so I'm not going to put it. And just for the test, I'm going to show you that the micro SD card does not fit in this little SIM tray like it did in some previous phones. Okay, so I have my SIM card right, micro SD card right here, and it won't fit. As you can see, it's almost as big as the whole SIM tray, and that's how you insert or remove your SIM card from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.